Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas table runner. So I'm just using acrylic yarn. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description for similar yarn. So I'm using green, red and white, but you can just use any color you like or just one color. A yarn needle, a pair of scissors and a 4mm hook. So this is how my table runner looks at the end. My table is 80 centimeters wide and 160 centimeters long, and the table runner is 26 centimeters wide and 117 centimeters long, and you can make it as long or as short as you like. Okay, so the pattern is really easy. So there's a starting row, and then for the second row, that's all you repeat all the way to the end. So make a slip knot. And then chain 50. Okay, once you've chained 50, we're going to skip the last 2 chains that you made, and then we're going to make 5 double crochets, 1 in each stitch. So skip 1 and 2, yarn over, go into the 3rd chain, yarn over and pull through the chain. So you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, again it's yarn over, go into the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, so we've got our skipped 2 chains here, and we've done 1 and 2, so just 3 more. Okay, so it looks like we've got 6 double crochets, but it's 5 double crochets with the skip 2 chains at the start. Okay, next we're going to skip these 2 chains, and we're going to make another 5 double crochets. So skip 1, 2 and go into the 3rd one. Okay, next we're going to chain 2, and we're going to make another 5 double crochets, so straight into the next chain. Okay, and we're just going to repeat this pattern. So skip 2 chains, make 5 double crochets, okay, chain 2, make 5 double crochets straight into the next chain, skip 2 chains and make 5 double crochets, chain 2, make 5 double crochets, skip 2 chains and make 4 double crochets, okay, so just make 4, okay, and in the last chain we want to make 2 double crochets. Okay, so that's the first row. So every row from now on will be exactly the same. So you start with a chain 2 and turn your work. Then we're going to make 5 double crochets, 1 in each stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you'll leave that one there. Okay, so you should have one left on this side. So we're going to skip 1 and the next one on the other side. Skip 1, 2, and then we're going to make 4 double crochets. Okay, so it looks like we've got 6 here because our chain 2. And then we skip 2 and we have 4 double crochets. In this chain 2 space and every chain 2 space, you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet. Okay, make 4 double crochets, skip 2 and make 4 double crochets. In the chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Okay, 4 double crochets, skip 2 and make 4 double crochets, in the chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Make 4 double crochets, skip 2 and make 4 double crochets, and then in the top of the chain 2 you want to make 2 double crochets, so just in this loop here. Okay, so by making 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space from the previous row, it'll keep the edges straight. So to start the next row, you just chain 2 and turn, and you repeat that same row again. Okay, so I'll just show you that row one more time. So you've already done your chain 2 and turned. You're going to make 5 double crochets, okay, skip 2, make 4 double crochets, in the chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Make 4 double crochets, skip 2, make 4 double crochets, and the chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Okay, double crochet 4, skip 2, double crochet 4, in the chain 2 space, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, okay, double crochet 4, skip 2 and double crochet 4, and in the chain 2 from the previous row make 2 double crochets. Okay, so if you need to check your pattern, it should look like there's 6 stitches on each end, so it's 5 in the chain 2, and same with the other end. And then each section should have 5 double crochets, so you double crochet 4, and then in the chain 2 space you add another 1. Okay, so I'm just going to do one more row and then I'll show you how to change colors. Okay, so I've done my 4 rows. So the way I like to change color is I've got my last 4 double crochets and 1 in the chain 2 at the end, and take my next color and make a slip knot. Okay, and I'm going to do my last double crochet in that chain 2 space. So yarn over, go into the chain 2, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2, then I'm going to stop, add my slip knot with the next color, and I'm going to pull that through the last 2 loops. Okay, chain 2 and turn, and then I just continue the pattern. Okay, so all my yarn tails will be on one side because I'm just doing 4 rows of each color. Okay, and you just repeat the pattern, the exact same row, and make it as long as you like. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.